Imagine you're drowning in a sea of tasks. Deadlines are looming, projects are piling up, and you're feeling overwhelmed. What if there was a tool that could help you organize, prioritize, and manage your workload without breaking the bank? Have you ever wished for a digital assistant that could keep your projects on track, your team aligned, and your sanity intact? Well, I'm here to introduce you to ClickUp, a powerful productivity platform that can do just that. ClickUp is a versatile project management tool that can be used by individuals, teams, and even entire organizations. It offers a wide range of features, including task management, time tracking, document collaboration, and more. The best part? It's completely free. 1. Creating your first workspace. Let's dive right in and create your first ClickUp workspace. Think of a workspace as a container for all your projects. You can create multiple workspaces to organize different areas of your life or work. Once you've created your workspace, you'll be presented with a dashboard. This is your central hub for viewing all your projects, tasks, and deadlines. 2. Creating projects and tasks. Projects are like folders where you can store related tasks. To create a new project, simply click the plus button and give it a name. Within each project, you can create tasks to break down your work into smaller, more manageable chunks. Tasks can be assigned to team members, given due dates, and linked to other tasks. You can also add comments, attachments, and subtasks to keep everything organized. 3. Using views to customize your workflow. ClickUp offers a variety of views to help you visualize your work in different ways. For example, you can use the list view to see your tasks in a simple list format, the board view to organize your tasks into different stages, and the calendar view to see your deadlines on a visual timeline. You can customize each view to fit your specific needs. For instance, you can add columns, filters, and sorting options to quickly find the information you need. 4. Collaborating with team members. If you're working with a team, ClickUp makes it easy to collaborate on projects. You can assign tasks to team members, create shared folders, and hold virtual meetings directly within the platform. ClickUp also offers features like real-time editing and commenting, which allow you to work together on documents and other files seamlessly. 5. Utilizing advanced features. While the free version of ClickUp offers a robust set of features, the paid plans provide even more advanced capabilities. These include features like custom fields, automation rules, and integration with other popular tools. If you find that the free version doesn't meet your needs, you can easily upgrade to a paid plan. 6. Tips for getting the most out of ClickUp. Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of ClickUp. *. Use tags and labels to categorize your tasks and make them easier to find. *. Take advantage of the search function to quickly locate specific tasks or projects. *. Utilize the time tracking feature to monitor your productivity and identify areas for improvement. *. Explore the ClickUp marketplace for additional apps and integrations. ClickUp is a powerful and flexible project management tool that can help you stay organized, productive, and on top of your workload. Whether you're a freelancer, a student, or a team leader, ClickUp can help you streamline your workflow and achieve your goals. Call to action. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free ClickUp account today and start experiencing the benefits of a more organized and efficient way of working. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.